Hello, I'm John. Today we're going to be doing some animal yoga. So let's get started, young yogis. Having our legs crisscross applesauce. Let your hands just rest into your lap. Roll your shoulders back. Puff out the chest. We're going to take a few breaths here. And breathing. So right now we're going to be doing some animal yoga. So as we go through, I want you to think about what animal noise we like to do. You like to do a lion? Roar! You like to do a cat? Meow. Maybe a dog? Myself, I'm going to pick a turkey. So I'm going to go ahead and do a big inhale through the nose. And your animal exhale. Nice. Let's do one more. Inhale through the nose. Animal exhale. Cool. So right now we're going to bring our hands together, placing our palms together. We're going to press our thumbs into the center of our chest. Do a big inhale. And a really, really loud exhale, animal noise. Nice. Inhale, lift all the way up to your fingertips like you're trying to get the cookie, top of the cookie jar. And exhale, back in the hands of the heart center. Inhale, reach all the way up. And this time we're going to extend our long arms like we're Mr. Fantastic, stretching our arms out really, really wide. We're going to cross our left over our right. Give yourself a nice big hug and try to reach your spine. So a nice big hug. Get the biggest hug from your favorite person in the world. We're going to go ahead and extend our arms back out. Extend. We're going to cross opposite arms, so right over left. Try to reach your spine and give yourself a nice big hug. Yes, beautiful. All right, let your hands fall back into your lap. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So if you're able to, I want you to rock back and forth. Rock. And we're going to try to rock into our knees. All fours, putting our fingertips on the mat, putting our knees hip width apart. Really digging into our fingertips or our claws right now. Extending the head as long as you can. Nice. You can go ahead and curl the feet in if you'd like to, or you can lift to the tops of your toes. Let's do a big inhale and a loud exhale. Nice. Right now we are on all fours. We're going to go ahead and get ready to prop up. So right now you're going to take your claws or your fingertips. You're going to walk them about 6 inches in front of you towards the top of your mat. Lift your kneecaps off of the ground. You're going to pop your hips up. And we're going to meet in our first downward dog, extending our arms long and our feet long. And we're in our first downward dog of today. If you know what sound a dog makes, you can make that now. I'm going to go with a ruff, ruff, ruff. I'm going to go ahead and walk my feet out a little bit. Go and stretch my arms out, my 4 front legs. Yes. Go in our dog pose. Do a big inhale. And dog exhale. Nice. So right now we are in a downward facing dog. Really try to push through the mat so you can get your butt high into the air. We're going to wag your tail. Nice. See if your actual ankles and your hips can go a little bit higher. Nice. And that's our first downward dog of today. Now we're going to walk our feet toward our hands. And we're going to hang heavy, like we're a gorilla, just letting our arms just hang heavy. Let our head hang heavy too, like it's a really, really big anvil. You're also welcome to grab your elbows and just rock back and forth, back and forth, back back and forth. And go ahead and release your hands and your elbows. Alright, so let's do a big inhale. And exhale, try to sink your arms a little bit closer to the mat. Alright, inhale on the half lift, so placing your hands on either your thighs or your calf muscles. Extend the head as long as you can. And pretend like you're leaning forward, like it's the leaning tower of Pisa. You're just leaning a little bit forward. Nice. And do your loud inhale and loud exhale. Woo! Nice. Alright, your next inhale, we're going to come all the way up in the arms overhead. So we're going to sweep our arms all the way as high as you can. Fingertips reaching towards the sun if possible. Reach, reach, reach. And then we're going to bring our hands to heart center. We're going to reach, inhale, reach all the way up. And we're going to swan dive into our Olympic pool, into our nice forward fold. Letting our head hang heavy. Do a nice slight bend in the knees if you'd like to. If you're able to grab anything, whether it be the back of your calves, big toes, or the mat, that's totally cool. But just hang out here for a minute. You can rock back and forth, like you're a wave in the ocean going back and forth. And then try to reach a little bit more. Reach, 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 reach. And now we're going to inhale in the half lift, placing our hands on either our calves or shins. And now we're going to step back into high plank. So right now in our high plank, our butt's a little bit in the air. Wiggle your butt if you need to. Extend the head long. Nice, and we're in high plank, really sucking in that tummy. All right, let's do a big inhale. Animal exhale. Woo! All right, do a big inhale through the nose. And audible exhale. Woo! Nice, and now we're gonna hold for 10 seconds. Count with me, okay? 10, 9, 8, hold, you got it. 7, 5, 3, 1, and we're gonna go all the way down to the mat. Ooh, we're gonna lay on our tummies. Give yourself a nice little nap. Resting on the side of our hands. And just give yourself a nice nap. Then we're gonna wake up. We're gonna press back up into little baby cobra. So we're gonna peel our chest off of the ground and lift our feet off the ground too. And we're gonna be a little baby cobra. So what sounds do cobras make? Go and pretend like you're moving about. And then go back to sleep. And then we're gonna wake up, press back into all fours, stacking our shoulders over our wrists and our hips over our knees. Let's do a big inhale, fill up those lungs, push it out to the tummy. Nice. Inhale back in the downward facing dog, lifting the arms and the hips and the butts and everything up. And we're gonna walk our feet toward our hands. And we're gonna exhale the forward fold. Inhale in the half lift. Exhale the forward fold. Now we're gonna come all the way up like we're trying to reach toward the sun. And arms high overhead. And we're gonna reach, we're just gonna hang out right here. You can do a nice little slight bend in the back like you're trying to give a nice little morning stretch. You just woke up from our nap. And exhale back in the hand center. I'm gonna reach all the way up, arms overhead. And swan dive in the forward fold, reaching toward our feet. Inhale in the half lift. You're welcome to take your animal noise here. Step back into high plank. And we're gonna hold for 200 million seconds. I'll say 3, 2, 1. And we're gonna go and slowly fall down to the earth. Take a little nap. We're gonna lift back up into all fours. Make sure we're breathing through this. Go ahead and pop your hips up in the downward facing dog. Nice. And go ahead and take this time here. So go ahead and wag your tail if you need to. You can make your dog noises. You can think about how great today is going. Maybe you had waffles today. Maybe you had Pop-Tarts. Maybe you drank a whole jug of water so you can get your day started. Go ahead and reflect on any positive interaction that you had today. And go ahead and breathe that into your body. And exhale that animal noise out. Nice. All right, inhale, walk your feet toward your hands to the top of the mat. And exhale on the forward fold. Inhale, reach all the way up for arms high overhead. Reach, reach. Whoa. And exhale, hands at heart center. All right, we're gonna reach up one more time. Reach as high as you can. Oh, reach, 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 reach. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into the pool to forward fold. Inhale on the half lift, placing our hands on our shins, on our thighs. And exhale on the high plank. Woo! I am tired. Are y'all tired? I am tired right now. And we're gonna hold for 3 million, 2 million, 1 million, and we're gonna go ahead and slowly go to the mat. Go ahead and take our nap. And we're gonna press back up onto all fours. Now we're gonna get in the downward facing dog. Bam! And we're gonna walk our feet towards our hands. Woo. And we're gonna hang out right here, breathing. We're gonna come up in the half lift. In fact, fall right down to forward fold. And come all the way up in the arms overhead. And we're gonna press our hands at heart center. So that was our animal yoga today. I hope y'all had a great time. I appreciate y'all practicing with me. Y'all have a great rest of your day.